Hey guys, welcome back. Clifford now has a throttle lever that works, and we're back on the stock pulley. I think I already said that. Yeah, so a lot of this tree work has been done, but I'm not gonna do none of that right now. But I was thinking I'm gonna go check the creek out because it has been so stinking dry the last week. We've had one rain this whole week and it's been hot and not very humid for the week. So everything is dry. It was just so dusty. So I figured I'm gonna check out the creek and see if I can take this through it. And that is gonna be a no. I am not going to take this through that. It is going to sink instantly. There is no possible way I'm making it through that. So that's a no. But we can play around with this sand. It ran over a stick and it got lodged up under the mower. That's fine. Stupid stick. I'm trying to make it backfire. Well, it ain't gonna backfire. Not right now, at least. It does it all the time, but of course not when I'm filming. It's kind of loud, but it's got a little bit of speed. It ain't too slow. And yes, I fixed this tie rod. I'm gonna make it look better. I loaded tie rod against tie rod, so it's twice as strong as it was before. But I'm gonna make it look better. But for now, that'll work. I'm gonna try this one out yet again. I need new front tires. These things are just like drag slicks. There we go. See, you could hear when I hit it too high. That's the choke. It is the buffer in here. I need to adjust the linkage to where yeah. So it doesn't go in a choke as easy. This thing turns some RPMs. Up and going good. over to the mulch pile. See how this thing does over there. Hopefully no bees are over here, no hornets, wasps, nothing like that. Are you serious? There it goes. Why is there a Mountain Dew? I haven't drank that in like 10 years. That's weird. You got a new squeak in the steering. Not surprised, honestly. All right, well, Clifford did pretty good. Trying to think of anything that needs to be improved. Well, we need tractor tires, but that's a future thing. I mean, I can't think of nothing else. I'm still confused why there's chunks of like black coming. Why is this coming out of the exhaust? But the engine's not losing oil. And I know it's not coming from the turbo because it's not got grease in it. It's got like 5W, like diesel oil or something. Also, it's not running out of oil, so I don't know. I don't know, man. I mean, I can't think of why, but I need to get a new seat or paint this one. Well, not paint this, but I just need to get a new seat. Gotta do a little choke. That's all I can think of to do in this video, so. Well, yeah. Okay, well, I guess that's it for this video. The next thing, ignore that. Anyways, next thing I'm gonna do, I think is gonna start, I'm thinking I'm gonna start taking apart the orange tang mower. Yeah. Well, guess that's all for this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.